my name is Cameron Halfpenny from North Wales. I joined the academy on the 20th of February, and my job, people try and distract me there. I did the same to him. And I currently work in a steelworks. Yeah, about 3 months. Yeah, enjoying it, enjoying the networking, and yeah, really enjoying it. Same thing again, the network, I think. Obviously, the training's good, enjoy the training, but mixing with like-minded people.
How is the academy helping you build your business? So presumably you want to go into like going to property as well. How does the academy help do that?
It's teaching me all the basic information to get into property. Teaching me. I'm learning mainly off the networking and getting fed up. Just the network. It's all about networking.
Tell me about what's like working with mentors, Samuel specifically. What's it like working with Samuel?
To be honest, I've only spoke to Samuel a couple of times, but mainly over Messenger. I like his energy. I'm an ex-professional boxer, so I like the boxing he's doing. He's doing great with what he's doing.
How do you feel like when you leave these events, like you've got all the people in the room, you've got all the kind of motivation, how does it make you feel leaving these events?
To be honest, this is my first academy dinner, so it's a bit of a new experience for me. But obviously, I'm an inner circle leader for North Wales, so obviously, you end up leaving with more energy than what you went in with. It's good.
So anyone who wants to go to a crash course but haven't made the decision to do so yet, what would you say to them?
I'd say just do it. Funnily enough, my one of my best mates, he joined the academy himself yesterday. So he's got onto the platform himself, and he couldn't believe how good it was. And he's confident that he'll do good things.